Hey everybody, Tall Family Films. Today we are replacing the tensioner on a 2017 Nissan Titan. This will be the same for at least up through 19, probably all the way up to 24. The 20 through 24 had some slight modifications, so I can't say for certain, but the job's pretty standard on most cars. So this is the tensioner. It sits just like this, okay, inside the engine, just like this. And that's important for you to know because you're not going to be able to see these bolts. You're only going to be able to feel them. These are 12 millimeter. You have to take the serpentine belt off. That is a 14 millimeter. That's for this right here. When it's inside the engine, we want to be pulling the breaker bar this way, okay? Or the serpentine removal tool if you have one. I suggest you getting one from Harbor Freight. They're thin and easy to use, and it just makes some of these jobs a lot easier. So when you're done with a job and you've replaced the tensioner, these go back in at 16 foot-pounds each. And like I said, I wish I could record it, but there's absolutely no room in here to do it. So, but when you go to put the new belt or the belt back onto the new tensioner, tensioners are built with this cool little trick. You see this little hole right here? There's another hole right here. When you put the socket on here and you pull the tension, you're going to be sliding this thing in a counterclockwise direction, and these two holes will line up. You can't see them, but you can feel them. Have a pick sitting right here in this top hole as you're pulling down. Make sure it doesn't fall all the way through and stop here. Let it go all the way to the second hole and then stick the pick in there. And that'll hold the tension on the tensioner so that you can then route the belt any way you want, and try and figure out the correct routing without having to worry about pulling tension on the tensioner. So if this video has helped you, you could really help me by subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much.